Get ready. Start. A nationwide lockdown was declared by the central government from 24th March 2020 to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Stop. Economic activity came to a grinding halt. Stop. The lockdown was extended on several occasions, among them for the second time on 14th April 2020. Stop. On 17th April 2020, the Labour and Employment Department of the State of Gujarat issued a notification under Section 5 of the Factories Act to exempt all factories registered under the Act from various provisions relating to weekly hours, daily hours, intervals for rest, etc. for adult workers under sections 51, 54, 55 and 56. Stop. The stated aim of the notification was to provide certain relaxations for industrial and commercial activities from 28th April 2020 till 19th July 2020. Stop. The notification in its relevant part is extracted below. Stop. Para. Now, therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 5 of the Factories Act, 1948, the Government of Gujarat hereby directs that all the factories registered under the Factories Act, 1948 shall be exempted from various provisions relating to weekly hours, daily hours, intervals for rest, etc. of adult workers under Section 51, Section 54, Section 55 and Section 56 with the following conditions from 20th April till 19th July 2020. Stop. Para. No adult worker shall be allowed or required to work in a factory for more than 12 hours in any day and 72 hours in any week. Stop. Para. The periods of work of adult workers in a factory each day shall be also fixed, that no period shall exceed 6 hours and that no worker shall work for more than 6 hours before he has had an interval of rest of at least half an hour. Stop. Para. No female workers shall be allowed or required to work in a factory between 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. Stop. Para. Wages shall be in a proportion of the existing wages. Example, if wages for 8 hours are 80 rupees, then proportionate wages for 12 hours will be 120 rupees. Stop. Para. On its lapse by the efflux of time, the state government issued another notification on 20th July 2020. Stop. Similar in content, the new notification extended the exemption granted to factories from 20th July 2020 till 19th October 2020. Stop. Para. The first petitioner is a trade union registered under the Trade Unions Act, 1926 and respondents about 10,000 workers employed in factories and industrial establishments in the state of Gujarat. Stop. The second petitioner is a federation of registered trade unions and represents 100,000 workmen in factories and establishments across India. Stop. Para. Leading the submissions of the petitioners, Mr. Sanjay Singhvi, learned senior counsel, along with MS Aparna Bhatt, learned counsel, submits that. Stop. Para. Section 5 of the Factories Act enables government to exempt any factory, or a class of factories, from its provisions only when a public emergency exists. Stop. The explanation to Section 5 defines the expression public emergency as a grave emergency which threatens the security of India or of any part of the territory by war, external aggression or internal disturbance. Stop. Applying the interpretative principle of nociter a socies, the expression internal disturbance will have a meaning which derives content from war and external aggression which endangers the security of India and would not include a pandemic or a lockdown. Stop.